Good morning, students. In today's lecture, our subject is Design of Concrete Structure 1. Our topic is Design of Beam by Working Stress Method. In last lecture, we solved some numericals about a singly supported beam and doubly reinforced beam. In today's lecture, also we have to solve numerical of doubly reinforced beam. So now we start example number 9. An RC beam of 300 mm wide and 600 mm effective dimension. Effective dimension means the depth is effective depth, small d, is provided with a tensile and compressive reinforcement of 1256, means tensile and compression of reinforcement in tension zone and in compression zone. The area of steel is 1256 mm square each, means in a tension zone here a beam whose width is 300 and here tension zone, here compression zone, here some steel is provided. Area of steel is 1256. The area of compression and tension is 1256 mm square. So the compression steel is placed 30 mm from the top, means D dash, it's called as a 30 mm, it's called as a D dash, is provided here up to D dash is 30 mm from the top edge of the beam. If sigma CBC means permissible stresses in concrete is 7 Newton per mm square and sigma ST means permissible stresses in steel is 190 Newton per mm square. M means modular ratio. If modular ratio is not given, then the formula to calculate the modular ratio is M equals to 280 divided by 3 sigma CBC. 280 divided by 3 sigma CBC. 280 divided by 3 into sigma CBC. The value of sigma CBC is 7. So we got modular ratio is 13.33. If not given, then you also can calculate it. So in this numerical, we have to find the moment resistance of beam. We have to find here moment resistance of beam, but here we have to solve by two method. First is elastic theory method and second is steel beam theory method. By using this two theory method, we have to calculate MR. In this method we have to calculate MR. MR means what? We have to find here. Given data is width of beam is 300, depth, effective depth is 600 mm, AST equals to ASC. Here is given tensile and compressive reinforcement of 1256 mm each, means AST is 1256 mm square, ASC is 1256 mm square. Both in compression and tension the steel is same. D dash, here the distance is D dash, so D dash is 30 mm. Here is given the compressive steel is placed 30 mm. Sigma CBC means permissible stresses in concrete is 7 Newton per mm square. Permissible stresses in steel is 190 Newton per mm square. Modular ratio is 13.33. If modular ratio is not given, then also you can find by using formula 280 divided by 3 sigma CBC. 280 divided by 3 into sigma CBC is 7. So we got the answer is 13.33. And sigma ST is 190 and sigma SC 130 Newton per mm square. Sigma SC means permissible stresses in steel in compression zone. Sigma ST means permissible stresses in steel in tension zone, and here permissible stresses in steel in compression zone 130 Newton per mm square. In this numerical it's not given, you also can assume it. sigma SE is 130 Newton per mm square. Now we start to solve the numerical. First method, to find XC. XC means neutral axis critical. C means critical. So we don't know the neutral axis is below the balanced neutral axis or here. First step is to solve find critical neutral axis. Formula is sigma CBC divided by sigma ST divided by m is equals to sigma SC divided by bracket D minus XC. Sigma CBC means permissible stresses in concrete, the value is 7. Permissible stresses in steel in tension zone is 190. M means modular ratio is 13.33. We have to find XC. The value of D means depth of the beam is 600, and here we have to find critical neutral axis. So critical neutral axis value is 197.61. By solving these step, here we got the answer XC is equals to 197.61. Second step, to find X means here we have to find balanced neutral axis. So the formula for a doubly reinforced beam balanced neutral axis is this formula only used for doubly reinforced beam. So the formula is B into X into X by 2 means bx square by 2 plus 1.5 m minus 1 ASC bracket x minus d dash. ASC means area of steel in compression zone, x minus d dash is equals to m AST d minus d dash. M is modular ratio, AST means area of steel in tension zone, bracket d means depth of beam, and x is neutral axis. Depth of neutral axis here we have to find. So the width of beam is 300 x square divided by 2, 1 point plus 1.5 into 13.33 means modular ratio value is 13.33 minus 1 into the value of area of steel in compression zone is 1256 bracket x minus 30 is d dash answer. Depth of edge from the top up to compression zone is 30. M is modular ratio 13.33, area of steel in tension zone 1256 into D is 600 x. So solving this, here we got as one equation x square plus 270.6 x minus 71.7141. So here we get the answer is 164.778 mm. Here compare XC and X. So we got here answer XC is greater than X. So once the beam is under reinforced section, sigma ST is 190 Newton per mm square. It's given in IS code. Sigma ST is 190 Newton per mm square because critical is greater than neutral. So the value is SC is 197.61. So the section is under reinforced section. Third step, to find sigma CBC. Sigma CBC means permissible stresses. Here we have to calculate actual permissible stresses in steel. So to find actual permissible stresses in steel is sigma CBC divided by sigma ST divided by m, x divided by d minus x. So sigma CBC in second step we find the answer of x is 165, sigma ST is 190, m is 13.33 modular ratio. The value of x is 165, d means depth of beam is 600 effective depth, and x value is 165. So sigma CBC is 5.4 Newton per mm square. To find sigma dash CBC, the formula is sigma dash CBC equals to sigma CBC into x minus d dash divided by x. 5.4 into bracket 165 is x. Last step we calculate here, value of x is 164.77. So here we also assume 165 mm. So the value is 165, x value. D dash means here you got a D dash. The compressive steel is placed 30 mm from the top, so D dash is 30. The value of D dash is 30 and x 165. So sigma dash CBC is 4.418 Newton per mm square. We have to find here actual compressive stresses in steel. So we have to calculate here actual compressive stresses in steel, sigma SC. So formula is 1.5 m sigma dash CBC. Sigma dash CBC we calculated in step number 4. The value of sigma dash CBC is 4.418. So here formula for calculate sigma SC. The formula is 1.5 m sigma dash CBC. 1.5 into m is 13.33 and sigma dash CBC is 4.42. 4.42 we calculated in step number 4. Here you also assume 4.42. So the answer is sigma SC 8.377 Newton per mm square. So 88.377 is smaller than 130. Here sigma SC, we assumed here sigma SC, compressive stresses in steel, is 130. So we assume in here 130 Newton per mm square, so is greater than 88.33. Hence the design is alright and safe. Okay, so you can write here okay, because actual is greater than, so it's okay. In this problem we have to find moment resistance. Here in this numerical, to find the moment resistance of beam by elastic theory method and steel beam theory method. So here we find MR, moment resistance, by elastic theory method. By using elastic theory method we finding MR. The formula by elastic theory method is Bx into sigma CBC, permissible stresses in concrete, by 2, depth of beam minus x by 3, depth of neutral axis by 3, plus 1.5 m modular ratio m minus 1 into ASC, area of steel in compression, into sigma CBC, permissible stresses in concrete, D minus D dash. D is depth of beam, D dash is depth of the steel from top edge. So here we putting value. B is 300, x is 165, sigma CBC is 5.4. We calculated in last step, divided by 2. The depth of beam is 600, x also calculated 165 by 3, plus 1.5, m is modular ratio 13.33 minus 1, into area of steel in compression zone is 1256, into sigma CBC is 4.42, to D is 600 and D dash is 30. So the moment resistance by using elastic theory method is 132.95 kilonewton meter, and 132.95 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Next, in this numerical, next we have to find moment resistance by using steel beam theory method. By using steel beam theory method we have to find moment resistance. So the formula to calculate moment resistance is AST into sigma ST into D minus D dash. So AST, area of steel in tension zone, is 1256. Sigma ST means permissible stresses in steel in tension zone is 190. Depth of beam is 600 and depth of beam from the top edge is 30. Up to reinforcement is 30. So here moment resistance is 136.024 kilonewton meter. MR is 136.024 kilonewton meter. In Newton mm, 136.02 Newton mm. Next example we have to find here. Example number 10, a beam whose width is 250, depth is 550 overall. Overall means capital D. Here we give capital D is reinforced with 425 mm bar on tension side. Means here one beam whose width is 250, whose overall depth is 550. So 550, the depth of beam is 550. Here this is overall depth, capital D is 550. So with overall is reinforced with 4 mm bar on tension zone. Here is tension side, here is compression side. So 4 bar in tension side, 1 2 3 4 bar in tension side. So his diameter is 25 mm. So and 3 but 22 mm bar on compression zone. Here is compression zone, here 3 bar, 1 2 3 bar is here, and the diameter of bar is 22 mm. In compression side, the bar are at 5 mm and 30 mm center respectively from bottom and top. Means 5 mm from bottom and 30 mm from top. So from bottom up to this distance is 50, and here this distance is d dash is equals to 30. So mm center respectively from bottom and top. Calculate the moment resistance. Here we have to find mr. In this method we have to calculate mr. Calculate the moment of resistance, and sigma CBC means permissible stresses in concrete is 5 Newton per mm square. Permissible stresses in steel is 140 Newton per mm square. Modular ratio is 18.88, and sigma SC means permissible stresses in steel in compression zone. Means here compression zone, permissible stresses in compression zone is 130 Newton per mm square. So the given data is B is 250, means width is 250, depth is effective depth, means this overall depth is 550, here is given 550, and 50 mm is the center distance from bottom. So 50, so 500 minus 50 is 500 mm, it's a effective depth. D dash is 30 mm, here is given, and 30 mm center and top edge. So 30, here distance is 30. Sigma CBC permissible stresses in concrete is 5 Newton per mm square. Sigma ST is 140 Newton per mm square. M is modular ratio 18.66. Sigma SC is permissible stresses in steel in compression zone is 130 Newton per mm square. AST is area of steel in compression zone, area of steel in tension zone. How we have to find area of steel in tension zone? So here given overall is reinforced with 4 bar. Here bar is in tension zone, bar is given 4, and the diameter of bar is 25 in tension zone. So AST means area of steel in tension zone, formula is pi by 4 into d square into number of bar. So pi by 4 into diameter of bar is 25, and the number of bar is 4. So AST is 4 into pi by 4 into d square, the diameter of bar is 25 square. So the answer is 1963 mm square. And area of steel in compression zone means here is compression zone, 3 bar, and the diameter of bar is 22. So 3 into pi by 4 into diameter is 22. So answer is 1140 mm square, means area of steel in tension zone is 1963 mm square, and area of steel in compression zone is 1140 mm square. So first step, To find XC means critical neutral axis. Formula is sigma CBC divided by sigma ST divided by M is equals to XC divided by D minus XC. Sigma CBC means permissible stresses in concrete is 5, permissible stresses in steel in tension zone is 140, modular ratio is 18.66. We have to calculate SC, critical neutral axis, depth of the beam, effective depth of the beam is 500, and XC we have to calculate. So solving this, we get XC is equals to 199.957 XC. So we assume here XC is 200. So to find X, the formula to find X for doubly reinforced beam is Bx square by 2. Bx square by 2 plus 1.5 m minus 1 ASC into bracket x minus d dash into m into AST bracket d minus x. So the value of B means width of beam is 250, x square by 2 plus 1.5, modular ratio is 18.66 minus 1. ASC means area of steel in compression zone is 1140. X minus d dash, the value of d dash is 30 is equals to the m is 18.66 into area of steel in tension zone is 1969. D is depth of beam is 500 and x we have to find. So the equation is x square plus 539.18x minus 153.902 is equals to 0. The answer of x is 206.41. So here you can, full figure is 207 mm. So x in this problem, x is greater than xc here. So this beam is called as, and the beam is over reinforced section because x is greater. So x is greater than xc, it is called as x is greater than xc. So it is called as over reinforced section, and it will fail first by over stress in concrete. If stresses is exceed, so in concrete, so first fail concrete because steel is provided over, means more than balanced section. Over reinforced is called as steel is provided more than balanced section, it's called as a over reinforced section. The concrete is first fail first, and after that steel fail because overloaded, the weight of the steel is more. Next, to find sigma dash CBC. Sigma dash CBC means sigma dash CBC equals to sigma CBC x d dash divided by x. Sigma CBC is 5, x is 206 minus d dash is 30 and x is 206. The answer is 4.27 Newton per mm square. In the next step, we have to find here actual compressive stresses in steel, means sigma SC, actual stresses in steel in compression zone. So sigma SC formula is 1.5 m into sigma dash CBC. In third step we find sigma dash CBC. So here 1.5 into 8. In this fourth step we have to find actual compressive stresses in steel. So the answer is 119.5 Newton per mm square. So 119.5 mm square is smaller than 130 mm. So okay, the our section is safe. If this answer is not okay, then our section will fail and we have to try with another section, means another dimension of beam. To find MR, MR means moment about tensile steel. We have to find here moment resistance. So taking moment about tensile steel, MR is the formula bx into sigma cbc divided by 2 d minus x by 3 plus 1.5 m minus 1 a into asc into sigma dash cbc d minus d dash. So b is 250 into 206 into 5 is answer of sigma cbc means permissible stresses in concrete is 5 divided by 2 into 500 is depth of effective depth of beam minus 206 is critical depth of neutral axis depth is 206 by 3 plus 1.5 into modular ratio is 18.66 minus 1 into ASC means area of steel in compression zone is 1140 into sigma dash CBC is 4.27 into D is 500 and D dash is 30. So the answer of moment of resistance is 117.28 kilonewton meter or 117.28 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. So in this today's lecture we find the moment resistance by using steel beam theory or elastic theory method. So anyone having doubt of today's lecture, you can put your question in comment box. Thank you.